Hi, I'm Janine from Purple Room Yoga, and in today's tutorial we're going to be discussing knee stability and how to keep your knees safe when practicing straight-legged poses. So the first pose I'd like to discuss is triangle pose. When you tip the pelvis to come into triangle pose, there's a tendency for that knee joint to hang back. And when you do that, that's going to strain the ligaments of the knee. And so if you do that over and over again, you're going to create pain in the knee and instability in the joint. So when you tip the pelvis, you want to keep just a little micro bend in the knee so that you can engage the quads. And by engaging the quads, you're actually strengthening the stability of the joint so that you can stay here with a straight leg and it's fine coming into triangle pose. So when you're tipping, activate the quads. Same thing in the wide-legged forward fold. As you come forward over the legs, you want to make sure that you're not pressing back in the knees. That as you fold forward, you're thinking about the sit bones and the hips lifting up, again, engaging the quads so that you get the nice stretch in the hamstring, but you're not creating instability in the knee joint. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in class soon.